Hey, in front of me is ONEPLUS 10T, and today I would like to show you how you can get iOS launcher on this Android. Begin with accessing Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in iOS launcher. Following that, you need to get this free app from this developer, and when it's ready, select Open. Then wait for the pop-ups to show. When they do, you need to select Allow and Allow while using in all of them. Then swipe up from the bottom of your screen and click on Home button. Now you need to access Devices settings and click on Apps section over here under Battery. Then click on Default Apps and click on Home app. To apply iOS launcher, you need to click on it and select Got it in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, iOS launcher was applied successfully on my ONEPLUS. If you want to switch between your launchers, you can do that by accessing the same settings and tapping on System Launcher or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!